This location pin here doesn't seem to be in the right place. Should it not? I think it needs to be in that box. So that needs moving. This we said we were going to move so that it should only say glamping site there. And then when we save, it should go. Oh, there. See, if they accidentally click save twice, it's saying this. So I don't know why that is. When they click save, it needs to change onto a new screen, because otherwise they think nothing's happened and they click save again and then it tells us it's expired. So when we click on save property here, it needs to display a different page instead of just staying on this page, because they don't understand that it's been done. They press it again. We said that this we would change so that it was calendar always visible. And again, when we press save, it should go on to the next page. It should then go on to the availability page. So, and we also talked about changing this word here. This should say check-in time. I'll do some screenshots and put the text on that I want it to read. And we need to make this clearer, because this doesn't make sense to people. Again, I still don't know what this priority thing is, so we need to get rid of that. And block cost. This wording all needs changing.